get into it. Ooh. Not me hitting it. Hey y'all, welcome to Curvy and Brown. My name is Amika, but you can call me Mika. Y'all, I did a thing. I bought a hooded dryer, okay? I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna show you the one I bought. I'm gonna show you everything that comes with it, and I'm also gonna show you how I use it because I need to finish my hair. I'm doing a wash and go, and we're gonna get into it. Okay, here she is in all of her glory. Ain't this girl on here? Ain't she cute? She cute. Okay, so it's the Bring the Salon Home Kiss Hooded Dryer. It's called a Bonnet dryer. It's double XL, 4.5 inches. Hold on, this is the Spanish part. Let me go to the English part. Ciao. Okay, it's the biggest hood size, so double XL. 4.5 inches adjustable height. It's not one of those that go on the floor and then you pull it up. It has to be like sitting on like a desk, table, couch, hand rest thing. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. It has 4 heat settings, and then it's 1,875 watts. I don't know what that means, but I was reading reviews and people were saying that it gets really hot, so I'm excited. They say that you can adjust the height, but a lot of people were having problems with adjusting the height. I looked up a whole bunch of videos and it made it look easy, so we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to finish my hair. I just need to add some more products and then we'll see what this is about. Okay, my wash and go is done. Here she is in all her glory, y'all. So she's sitting up on my desk. Oh, okay. She's sitting up on my desk right now. If you turn her to the side, this is how you like make this part stand up with this gray part right here. And then like how it just fell, you can adjust it, the height, like that. That sounded hard. That wasn't that hard, okay? So on this side, you have the, that's how you turn it on and off. And then this is the plug. Very, very simple. Okay, y'all, having it on my desk seems to be working just fine. I'm gonna dry my wash and go with the hooded dryer for the first time. I'm gonna show myself under it, but you're not gonna be able to hear nothing because sis is loud, okay? Like a regular dryer, right? Here we go. Okay, so we are dry. Oh my goodness, finally. It wasn't really that long. It was probably maybe like an hour, not even, honestly. Okay, so here's some things to keep in mind. This dries the top of your hair perfectly. Outside, cool. Once you get underneath, questionable. But what I did was like I would sit under here and I would open my hair up and kind of tilt my head so that the heat was hitting it at the right spot, right? Gotta play around with it. Try not to touch it too much. Once you get it to the place that you want the heat to go on, don't like touch it anymore. And then with the back of my hair, I kind of just like flipped my hair over. I turned facing the dryer. I flipped my hair over and I dried it like that. It doesn't take very long, so it's not gonna scrunch your hair up very much. I think this is probably like the most elongation I've gotten from a wash and go in a while. Maybe it'll shake up some more, but it's dry. Like, ooh, see, my nails keep pulling my hair. It's dry. The inside holes, they only go up to that point, so you have all this white space down here. What you choose to do, you know, with keeping your hair up there, kind of like propping yourself up more so that you can be under the like heated thingies, I think you should do that. Because if you're just sitting under it, sometimes like this part of your hair will miss the heat, so you kind of want to be up there. Like I said, you want to be moving around so that you can get all pieces dry. I even like did halfway in, halfway out so they can dry the bottom of my hair better. And I thought I was gonna have to use a diffuser, y'all, but I didn't. I powered through because I'm like, I gotta give the review. Other than that, like, it's pretty good. Like, I'm happy with it. I hope it doesn't like go out anytime soon. People were saying that like it's cheap. Yeah, it's cheap plastic. It was like $45. So what do you expect? I think the results are good. There are little tiny spots that could be dry more, but I was not finna sit under the dryer for that little spot. I mean, I could go outside and the sun can just, you know, wear some heat protectant spray though. I'm gonna update y'all later, maybe on Instagram, to see if like over the months if it lasts long enough. But I mean, I'm satisfied. Walmart and Kiss, they came through. They came through for you, girl. Get into the, ooh, not me hitting it. Get into the results. Okay, if y'all enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment below if you would buy it, or if you have one that you think is better. I mean, I want to know. And I'll see y'all in the next video.